Nasdaq 100 and Dow Jones both traded with a modest bearish bias today throughout this day, and it has got its support intact. The resistance level which were earlier are now the support levels, that is 35,100 and 16,000 levels. So can we expect Tech 100 and US30 to trade bearish from the current levels, or is it going to fly high? Is it going to rally again, breaching past 35,200 and 16,100 levels? Which position you should take, we will see with the help of charts followed with indicators, and I will give you the trading levels and strategy. Watch till the end. First Nasdaq 100 followed with Dow Jones. And if you are new to the channel and have not yet subscribed to the channel, do subscribe to the channel to get the latest update. Now what has happened on Tech 100? After the rise, it has retraced towards the 20 period moving average, which is right now sitting at around 16,000, which is indeed a great support. But we should also look at the preceding candles. These are coming with higher highs. Higher highs suggest that there was a downward push. Prices tried to scale bullishness but failing to do so. We have seen a red candle and a bigger red candle. Now first red candle, consolidation, then second red candle. Now from here, if you see Tech 100 is staying below 16,000, just stay short. We might look at 15,980, 16,960 levels as the next support level for Tech. And it is only below 15,960. You can say that prices are turning bearish. Now see, if you look at the moving averages, these are trading with extreme divergence and bullishness. There is a probability for it to converge. At the same time, one must note lower highs, lower lows are getting formed, which makes 15,980, 15,960 as a greater support zone and 16,040 as a greater resistance zone. Stochastic has come to bottom. MACD on the other hand has crossed over at top, trading with divergence, trading bearish, looking downwards as of now. RSI has come out of the overbought zone here. Coming to 2-hour chart, you see on the 2-hour charts, prices are divergent here from the moving average. It has converged here, it is stationed here, consolidated here, then again a breakout, higher highs. Now again the divergence from the 20 period moving average sitting at around 15,950, 960 zone, which is indeed a great support zone for Nasdaq 100 here. If you look at the stochastic, this has come to oversold levels. While MACD is on the verge of a crossover, it is not yet crossed over, it is still in green, and from the current levels it can again try to diverge and stay bullish. There is a probability to it. RSI coming out of the overbought zone. Coming to the 3-hour. Now first on the 3-hour charts, I have mentioned earlier in the day that this could be the probable reversal indication from where the prices started to trade bearish. Now 16,000 is definitely a psychological support as well. Thus once it stays below 16,000, probability for it to hit 15,960, 15,940 zone will increase, and below that we may see more bearishness prevailing here. If you look at that prices are too much divergent from the moving average, it may try to converge at around this zone, which is at around 15,940, 960. Stochastic dropped from the overbought levels. MACD is in green. It is trying to converge crossover. It is still bullish. It is not yet crossed over. RSI overbought. Coming to the 4-hour. First, look at the 4-hour charts. A flat top and a bearish candle. Second candle with a bigger, smaller wick and a flat body on the downside. And see, these two candles has a diminishing body size. The body size is diminishing. Thus, this could be a possible reversal here. This could bring the bullishness. However, once it breaks below 16,000, you can initiate a selling point where you can expect 15,980, 15,960 as a greater support. And if you notice, there is too much of divergence of the price from the 20 period moving average, which is right now sitting at 15,900. So possibly it could erase all the gains. It can try to come back towards this zone as well, which is 15,800, 900. Stochastic is overbought. MACD is in green, trying to converge. RSI certainly is overbought here as well. Coming to the daily. Now, likewise here on the daily chart, we first look at the consolidation in the previous candles. We have seen prices consolidating here, and then a breakout, a bullish move has seen. And this candle also has achieved higher highs. Now, probability for it to move towards 15,950, 960, or in fact 900 and below levels is high. It can try to touch these levels at some point of time. Even if it has to reverse and stay bullish, we can expect it to retrace towards those zones. Now, whether it can trade bullish, see right now it is staying in this bullish channel. Higher highs, higher lows, 15,950, 900 certainly is a great support zone for the day. And on the upside, beyond 16,100, it is going to fly high. Now, if you notice here, moving averages crossed over here. 20 period moving average at 15,500. And the price is right now at 16,000. Too much of divergence, it can try to converge a bit. But how far? See, it is only bearish if it stays below 15,800 levels. You can say that Nasdaq 100 has turned bearish and we are looking forward to a drop. As long as 15,800 is not breached, we should not treat Nasdaq 100 as bearish. Now, what is happening? If you look at the charts as well, stochastic is near to overbought. The MACD is divergent, bullish, looking upwards, but it has scaled to a good enough level from where it can try to converge. RSI is still overbought. Thus, looking at this, I will recommend you to sell today at 16,000 levels itself, but be cautious and alert of 15,980, 960 levels. And once it breaks below 960, 940 zone is where the bears will take over for 900, 850, 800. Yes, more bearishness may prevail. We can see it erasing all the gains from yesterday. Right now, it is still not showing any signs of reversal. And on the upside, I will recommend you to buy Tech 100 today at 16,050 levels. Beyond 16,050 is where the bulls will take over, and we can look forward to 16,080, 16,100 zone as a greater resistance zone. And if Tech 100 stays beyond 16,100, just stay bullish, just stay long in Tech 100. We are going to look forward to a very sharp rise here towards 16,180, 200 as the first target, and then beyond 16,200, sky is the limit on the upside. Be watchful here. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. Before we move into Dow Jones, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can join my mentorship batch. The 27th batch started yesterday. 28th batch is going to get announced soon. You can pre-book, you can register yourself now itself. Reach out to me via Telegram or email for more details of the batch. And yes, you can be part of my Telegram signals channel where trading as per the signals. You can definitely benefit. Join my free Telegram channel also. And yes, visit the platform www.forexfunda.com. This is my own platform which has everything for you which you require, be it the economic calendar, breaking news, the live charts where you can do the analysis, along with the availability of the experts and the community, proliferating community where you can discuss with the like-minded traders. So do visit the platform. The batch details and the mentorship and signals details are available there on the website itself. Now US30 on the hourly charts. See, first, what it did yesterday, it has achieved and scaled to the highs, and since then it is trading in this bearish channel. Now, if you look at the bottom here is somewhere 35,050 levels, which is indeed a great support. If you recall, many a times earlier I have mentioned 35,050, 35,100 is a greater resistance zone, and then 35,180, 240. Beyond 35,240, sky is the limit. Just stay bullish for 35,500 levels. But what has happened today so far on the you will find prices stayed bearish. It is just consolidating right now in zone. Just let it stay below 35. 100 levels, rather I will say 35,090 levels. Below 35,090, stay short, stay bearish in US30. We are looking forward to 35,050 and 35,000 levels and below. Yes, right now it is consolidating. It is not yet bullish, very clear. The stochastic rising from the oversold. MACD has crossed over at the top, trying to trade with divergence and bearishness. RSI is looking upwards as well. Coming to 2-hour charts. Now look at 2-hour chart. See, after bearish candles, a reversal sign, higher highs. So higher highs, higher lows. Just be careful at around 35,090 levels. Below 35,090, it can give you the lower lows here, which is at 35,080 and 35,050. So these two levels are going to remain critical for US30 today. 35,080, 35,050 zone. Below 35,050 is where the bears will take over. Stochastic oversold, trying to recover. MACD has crossed over for a sell. RSI is staying flat. On the 3-hour, look at the 3-hour chart. See, certainly the bearishness getting diminished here. This is identically symmetrical. Double top is done. A breakout below 35,090 will certainly bring more bearishness here towards 35,000 and below levels. Possibility is there that first support levels will be seen at 35,050. Staying below this, certainly the bears will take over for 34,950, 900. Any point of time, if you see US30 staying below 34,900 levels, treat this as a breakout, bearish breakout. The stochastic looking downwards. MACD is in green, trying to cross over for sell. RSI is flat near to top. On the 4-hour charts, if you now look at the 4-hour chart, see, certainly a bearish candle, a swing candle here. Lower highs are done. Just let it stay below 34,090. It can lead to a stronger bearish move towards 35,000 levels. There is a stronger probability to if it stays below 35,090, 35,050 levels. The stochastic has dropped here. MACD is divergent and bearish. RSI is near to top. Coming to the daily. Now, first on the daily chart, the previous few candles were of candles of consolidation. And if you find it is stayed within this bullish flag formation, the support levels at 35,000 and 34,950, 900 are going to remain greater support for US30. It is only below 34,900. You can say that US30 has turned bearish and we are looking forward to a complete reversal for the week. As long as it stays beyond this zone, the probability of a rise will always exist. Now, what is happening today so far? It is opened at a highs. It is trying to retrace, and thus 35,100, 35,090 is a good support. Then 35,050 and then 35,003 major supports. Rather, I will say as long as 34,900 is respected, we have to put a 50-point trailing stop loss. The stochastic is overbought. MACD is in green. It can possibly start to, but right now it is not showing any signs of reversal. If you notice, it has come to extremely higher levels. Thus, at some point of time, it should reverse. Probably with the FOMC minutes tomorrow, it can try to do so. If not today, RSI is overbought. Thus, looking at this for the day, I will recommend you to sell at 34,090. And a buying entry only I will recommend at 35,200. Once it stays beyond 35,200, you can stay long, but then 35,240 is the first resistance, and if it stays above 35,240, do not think of selling US30. We are going to look forward to 35,400, 500 levels very, very soon. Take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me via Telegram or email for any of your queries, and also you can visit my platform forexfunda.com for more details on the batch and the webinars. Also join my free Telegram channel to get the live updates. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again with the Asia and Europe session tomorrow morning. Happy trading. Thank you.